Okay, made it to the airport at a ridiculous hour. It is 2 minutes after 6, sitting down with a lovely chicken biscuit and water. There's no soda because their fountain was off, so no caffeine for me. Alas, I'll suffer through. Hey everybody, made it to Orlando Airport again, going down the escalator. I was told last time I talked about this that I didn't say where I was, so I am at the Orlando Airport, otherwise affectionately known as MCO. Getting ready to hit Magical Express. Walking down what I joked about last time as the fourth happiest hallway in all of Orlando. I'm not quite sure what that means, if you can have happy hallways or not. But here we go. So, ready for the adventure. Again, just as a reminder, we're here for Galaxy's Edge Festival preview this weekend. And what has become the longest holiday in America, Halloween. The first Halloween party is tonight. It is August 16th. And there is a Halloween party tonight. And like a sucker, I am going to it. So, more to come. Okay, Magical Express just arrived, walking into Yacht Club. This is my first time being here. And yeah, let's check it out. Let's see what the lobby looks like. Already getting some nice greetings. Let's see what we got. We'll avoid the crowd a little bit. Go in this door right here. Slide open for us. Immediately, the first thing you see is this fantastic globe. Look at this thing. It is magnificent. Let me say hi to our friendly cast members. Look at this globe. This is fantastic. Okay, so let's do a quick pan around the lobby here. You see this kind of turn of the century nautical theme they've got going on that carried over so well. Really well done. And even above, you see in the railing, use the cable railing, and then the impression of the ship's wheel just looks fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I've only been in here, and it was probably 15 years ago, and I didn't stay. I just kind of snuck in to check it all out. We'll see this resort. Let's sneak out the back door so we can get a look here. Let's pop up the stairway here and have a look upstairs in the lobby. See just what we're dealing with here. You got the ship's wheel, and of course it does turn. So you're checking in. Kiddos, come on up. Have a turn at the wheel. Okay, obviously we have the front entrance. Of course, a beautiful door with that molding on there. Really nice. You have... I'm trying to keep it quiet. You have nice shelf area. Not the kitchenette that you'll see in a Disney Vacation Club room, but very nice, well appointed. New looking Keurig machine instead of coffee pot with pods. I wasn't expecting that. That was a nice little surprise. Ubiquitous ice bucket. Fridge down below with a clear door. That is brilliant. I love that. That's awesome. Okay, continuing on around. Really nice looking shelf closet system with open shelving above and below. That's really nice looking. That's really sharp. So, and here are more shelves. That's where your ironing board is, iron, safe. Very nice. here? Ooh, closet that lights up when you open the door. That is fancy. My goodness. Full-length mirror. Ooh, and soft clothes. Very nice. More hanging space. Another light. Very nice. This one has shelves underneath. The other one? No, the other one was full-length. Okay, so this one has shelves underneath. So very nice. We'll continue on around. Luggage. I believe they call that a carrel. I could be wrong about that. This chest of drawers here is so cool looking. They made it look like a trunk, and I just think it is sharp, and with the brass keeps that nautical look, but kind of a trunk. Awesome. I love that. Awesome. Some sort of a solid surface, not granite on top, but really, really nice looking solid surface on top. You'll see plugs and USBs at both ends. Well done. Gigantic TV. I'm guessing that's a 50 or 55 inch TV. Huge. Little desk area. Again, they keep that nautical theme going with the brass accents on the table. And then you also have more plugs and USB ports at either side. Nice looking lamp. Might have to sneak that in my suitcase when I leave. Just kidding, I'm not going to do that. I think this is really cool, nice touch, since this is the Yacht Club. So not only do they do constellations on the drapes, but if you look close, they are all Disney characters. So you have Houndus Loyalus, well, that's Pluto. You have Horsus Wingus, that's Pegasus. Humanus Mightius, there's Hercules. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, Mermaidus Curiosius, Ariel. That's all over the place. And like, I don't want to bore you with going over all of them. It is a repeating pattern, but that is super cool. What a great little detail. I love that. That is just excellent. Then of course a sheer with a nice sliding glass door. We'll go to the patio in just a sec. Continues over to the seating area. Nice looking chair. Again, that nautical theme echoed throughout the chair with the navy leather. Could be vinyl. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Nice looking table with lamp. And then an end table on either side. And again, you have the plugs and USB ports in there, as well as cord management under there. Again, I'll say it again, that brass accenting to keep that nautical theme going is so cool. I love that. That is so neat. And then king size bed, which is really nice. I didn't request that. So new feature in the room, since they just completed a remodel on the Yacht Club. So you'll notice the vinyl tile on the floors. Definitely makes the room louder, no question about that. In fact, when Bell Services delivered my groceries, I dropped the case of water that I ordered, and at 2 a.m. I know that wasn't appreciated downstairs, so I really feel bad about that. But there's a lot of echo in the room. I know it's cleaner. I know you don't have to worry about bed bugs with this. I know the hotel loves it because cleaning it is a snap. You don't have to maintain vacuums though you'd have to with carpet. So I get why they're doing it. Man, in the long run, yeah, it's probably better, but I do like the carpet in the rooms. It's just a little bit softer. One nice thing about the bed frames though, what they've done is they make it higher to where you can store your suitcases under the bed, so you're not tripping over your suitcases during your whole vacation, which is super nice. I really like that feature. Of course, thermostat, like I said, the other end table there. Oh, I forgot this one too. So a couple things over here. First off, you have on either side of the headboard, you have these reading lamps embedded in there, and they just turn on and turn off just by pulling them out. or pushing them back into the little socket there, and that's at either end. That's pretty cool. Really nice fabrics here. They look nice, well finished. The wall treatment is so great because it looks like it's not, but it looks like it has nail head trim going the whole way. Now it is a fabric feeling wallpaper, so you get that sensation, but this is actually printed onto it. It's not like a nail head trim, but just, I'm going to step back here and not trip over stuff. Just looks fantastic. What a great wall treatment. This portion of Hotel Room Design Talk is brought to you by Magical Midday Media. And then we have an absolutely gigantic bathroom. I actually haven't even been in here yet. Hello. So, huge vanity. No drawers or anything like that, but open shelving underneath, which I prefer because then you don't lose stuff and it's easier to do your walkthrough when you leave. Nice little shelf above. Again, you have that solid surface countertop. I don't think it's marble or granite. I think it is a solid surface, but still really, really nice. Really well appointed and finished out. And those H2O products, I adore the H2O products. I think they are awesome. Great lamps on the wall. They made some really, really good finishing choices in here. And, wrong one. And then you have your water closet. Of course, toilet, thank goodness. And then we have the somewhat controversial, however, I support it, but the somewhat controversial, very, very tall walk-in shower. You could probably get, if you were really trying, you can probably get 5 people in there. It'd be a tight squeeze, but, in a pinch. Anyway, really nice tile on the walls. Those wonderful H2O products again. And then a nice rain shower head as well as a handheld. So overall, I am super pleased with this room. Like I said, I've never stayed in the Yacht Club before, but really nice. I'm super impressed. This remodel did really well. Real quick before I finish this up, let's go down the patio. Let's see what that looks like. Because I think I have a pretty awesome view, and I didn't request it. Here we go. Oh, gracious sakes alive. I do have an awesome view. Okay, so, if like me, you're not familiar with the Yacht Club, if you look straight across there, you'll see the boardwalk. In fact, those bright lights right there. Move over a little bit. So those bright lights right there, that's the ESPN Club right across the lake from the Yacht Club. And then there's the lighthouse where you catch the Friendship water taxi. And then, of course, the dock right there. But, yeah, so this is on the back side. I'm 2 floors, I'm on the 3rd floor here, so I'm 2 floors above the lobby on the back side of the hotel. But yeah, so overall, very nice hotel. And a window. I'm just finding all kinds of stuff here. There's windows out here as well as the sliding glass door. That's a neat touch. One thing I said in an earlier video, and to be clear, one, I am paying for this room, but I've also mentioned before that my wife and I are I've mentioned before that I'm holding the mic so I don't have to talk very loud. One thing I mentioned before is that my wife and I are Disney Vacation Club members, and so usually when we come, we're staying in a DVC suite on points. That's just usually how we travel. This time it didn't work out. It was so close to when I'd have to come here that I wasn't able to find a DVC room. So I just got online and found an annual pass holder deal, and I got this room for a really, really good rate. So the lesson here for you is to always be looking for the special rates and deals. I know that's not a surprise to a lot of people. I actually don't do it very often, so I learned a lesson this time that it pays to just look and check around. Yacht Club, so far 2 thumbs up in the 10 minutes I've been in here. It's a great place, and I would recommend it. So we'll talk to y'all later. I need a shower. I need some sleep. Good night. Keep it magical. Stay classy.